Hey guys, Hamza here. If you're on our YouTube right now, you just came from our Instagram and you saw me unboxing this wheel for the very first time. Completely shocked. It looks absolutely stunning in person. I've seen so many pictures of it, but it's my first time viewing one. This is for a customer order, so we're going to be sending it out. Before we do, we got his permission to do a whole video about it. Let's get into it. PRL P-07F Forged Wheel. We're all used to the 18 9.5 plus 38 and plus 45 specs, but you can't run the meatiest of setups on there. At most you can go, 275, 35 comfortably. With an 18 by 10 plus 47, you start at a 275, and then you can go up to a 285, 35, and even a 295, 30 tire. So this is a meaty spec wheel. Absolutely love it. Just take a look at how much dish there is on there. Most of you guys into old school Hondas, you'll recognize this wheel. It is a throwback retro to the Integra GSR Blade design. Love that they're giving homage to that design. What more is about this wheel that we know? This is a 5x120 spec wheel only, so FK8, FL5, DE5. There's no clearance issues with your brakes. Super excited to get these in the hands of our customer who has a DE5. I think it's going to look absolutely incredible. I am really considering a set of these wheels for my CTR. God, it's like I can't even speak. That's how excited I am about this wheel. If you think I should run this wheel in the 2025 season, please drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We're gonna hit you guys with some B-rolls and put these wheels in front of the ITS and FK8 for you guys to see what they look like. Guys, what do you think about this wheel? I'm absolutely in love. Super envious that I'm having to send this set out to a customer, but Maxime, you are very deserving. Thank you for all the support. I think it's pretty much convinced me that I need one for green, so let us know if you guys think that's the right move.